So students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the 3C models which are used in your pharmaceutical industry. 3Cs, it means I'm talking about the words that are starting with the C, that are customer, company and the competitor. Now, for the analysis of the market, you have to analyze this 3C model, that is customer analysis, company analysis and the competitor analysis. Now, this 3C model is focusing on your customer, that are your doctors, your competitors, the other pharmaceutical companies to which you have to compete, and the company itself with yourself. Now, I have already discussed that there is difference between the customer and the consumer. When I talk about a pharmaceutical industry, in a pharmaceutical industry, your customer is your physician to which you have to give information about your medicines, then he will prescribe, then the consumer, the patient will purchase your product. So you have to focus all 3Cs in order to get a successful business outcome. Now, customer is your physician, that is your main target, that to which you have to give importance, to which you have to give information about your products, either by giving the free samples or by giving literature, by giving the presentations. He will definitely ask you some questions that will help you to assess yourself. Now, demographic data is also very important. For example, you can visit an area. According to area, you can now finalize this. Okay, in this area, we have a kidney specialist. So I have to sell the kidney drugs here that are acting on your renal system. So demographic data will definitely give you a layout of your target market and the desires of the customers there, your physicians desire. You can then interview your physicians in order to know that what is the demand of that particular area. Customers are definitely very important. You have to fulfill their needs, you have to fulfill their demands in order to compete, in order to increase the sales of your products. Competitors, definitely your competitors are the other companies who are selling the same products, who are selling the medicines of the same product line. You have to keep an eye on your customer competitors as well to in order to increase your sales. Now, how you can assess your competitors? Definitely this can be done by visiting their websites, their newsletters. You can visit their stores as well. You can talk to them as a customer. So these are different resources by which you can assess your competitors. Now, company, within the company itself, you have to assess yourself in order to gain profit. Now, for example, you have to keep an eye on your different departments, your quality control department, your quality control section, or the production plant. In order to get successful, you have to try to create your own raw materials. So if you are creating your own raw material, definitely this will reduce your product price as well.